Hey YouTube and stuff. Hey YouTube, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my first time doing this, I think, in a hot minute. I think I did one of these videos like years and years and years ago, but this is a little bit different. So this is going to be a closet sale. If you have watched any of my recent videos regarding like fashion, or you follow my Instagram, you know that I clearly thrift quite often. And a lot of the times I buy clothing that is too big, or I wear a couple times and I don't have a use for it anymore. And then also I used to shop at regular stores a lot. I still do every so often. But what I'm getting at is I'm doing a closet sale. I have accumulated quite a bit of clothing. I'm always accumulating clothing for whatever reason. I really need to stop. But that's a whole other discussion for a whole other time and place. Okay, you feel me? So a couple of months ago, probably like a month and a half ago, I went through and got rid of a ton of clothing. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all the items that I'm currently selling. And I will have the prices on the screen. This is really going to be the only part I'm talking. You're just going to see trial clips and then prices on the screen for the items. If this goes well, I will be doing this more often. And the way that you can purchase the items is through Instagram only. I will not be accepting offers or comments or messages regarding buying an item. It's going to be through Instagram only. I've already explained this on Instagram if you follow me. I explained it yesterday actually. Well, this might be 2 nights ago, depending when I get this uploaded. So I will post the items over on my stories, and then I'll go ahead and make a highlight for my for sale items. If you're interested in an item, it's first come, first serve. Whoever messages me first and sends me the money first obviously gets the item. So I'll post it. You message me like slide in my DMs. And just send me your PayPal. I'll send you my PayPal information. And you send me the money. Once the money is sent to me, I will create a shipping label, send you the tracking number, ship it out the same or next day, depending what time you purchase. If you do end up buying more than one item from me, I will give you a discount, like a bundle discount. So you save on shipping and you save on the cost overall. The prices I will have listed on the screen are going to include shipping and all fees. Once an item has been sold, I will go ahead and take it off the highlight so you know it's no longer available for purchase. I don't really know what else to say. I feel like I have so much more to say, but I'm not sure. What did I cover? Shipping, fees, showing you try-on clips, Instagram only. I think that's it. Oh, some of the items I have are going to be alterations. It's my first time selling an alteration. Usually I just donate them if I don't wear them, or I give them to people, little cousins, family members. So I'm going to be selling like 1 or 2 alteration items. If it goes good, like I said, I'll continue doing this. It's just something that I thought it would be fun. I've gotten messages asking if I'd ever sell my stuff. So this is a way for you to have the items that you see me wearing occasionally, and also for me to make a little bit of money back from that. So without further ado, I hope you guys can enjoy this. Give me some feedback down below. If you're interested in any of the items, be sure to follow me on Instagram and be over there to purchase the items. So that is it. Let's get into this.